Hello, Tony. Hello, Jenny.
Hello, Gogo.
What are you doing?
We're building a tree house.
Can I help?
Yes, please, Gogo. You can help Jenny.
What's she doing?
She's cutting the wood.
Stand back, please, Jenny. Yeah!
Very good, Gogo. Thank you.
That's all right.
Ouch! That's Tony. He's using the hammer.
What's he doing?
He's making the floor.
Can I help you, Tony?
Yes, you can. Look, Jenny. The hammer's hitting the nails. Ah, Jenny's climbing up the ladder. She's carrying the paint and the brushes.
Oh, good. We can paint the house. What color have you got, Jenny?
White. Gogo, that's not white. It's pink.
I like pink.
Purple.
I like purple. This house is very small.
Oh, Gogo! Look! The door's opening.
That's right, GB. I'm opening the door. Good morning.
Good morning, Gogo.
Come in.
What are you doing?
I'm closing the door. What are Tony and Jenny building, Pod? They're building a tree house. What are they doing?
They're building a tree house.
Tony's making the floor. What's Tony using, Tappy?
He's using He's using a hammer, Gogo.
Very good, GB. What's Jenny carrying, Tappy?
She's carrying paint and brushes.
Very good, Tappy.
I want a tree house.
Do you want a tree house, GB?
Yes, please.
And you, Pod?
Yes, please.
Then let's build a tree house. I'm building a house.
I'm making the floor. I'm painting the walls.
And I'm painting the door.
I'm using a hammer. I'm hitting the nails. I'm cutting the wood. I'm making it good.
We are builders, we can build. We are painters, we can paint.
So,
Let's build a house.
Let's make the floor. Let's paint the walls.
and let's paint the door.